Hello guys, welcome back. In this part I will show you how we can add Firebase to our Android application. But before moving forward, I wanted to teach you how we can add sign out functionality to our Android application. Also show you I will forgot to show you how we are going to log in once we are registered. So let's quickly add one logout button to our home page. I am making simple layouts so you can understand easily. So here orientation vertical, we are going to add our match parent, height 0 dp, weight 1, body part which is also orientation vertical, and here at the bottom we are adding one simple button for logout. Wrap content, logout, id, logout, button, logout. Okay, let's add some margin and gravity to center. Okay, now let's quickly add one more thing. So we don't have to write find view by id every time. So here in Android module, copy and paste this code, build features, view binding true, and sync the project. Now after project successfully synced, we have to create binding object, binding type of activity home binding, and initialize it here, binding activity home binding with layout inflator, and pass inside content view binding dot root. Now we don't have to write find view by id every time. We can just write binding dot button logout set on click listener. Here we are writing code for sign out our user. Before sign out our user, we have to create Firebase object, Firebase authentication object. Here also we are going to check if user already logged in or not, and here we just simply call auth dot sign out for logout. Okay, after logout, let's create a simple function here to move to main activity, or we can say our login screen, main activity, and finish this. Let's quickly run and check our application. sorry to forgot, you have to write this go to login function after writing sign out code. So now our application is running. Okay, let's log in with our dummy @gmail.com. 56 and log in. There is something wrong. The property auth has not been initialized. Oh, we have to initialize our auth property. So before checking is user is currently logged in or not, we have to initialize our auth property like this. Okay, now let's run this project again. So as you can see, let's log in. Let me close this logs. Okay, let's try it again. Dummy @gmail.com and write our password here and log in. We are logged in successfully. I forgot to write go to home page if user is already logged in function. So let's write go to home. And if user is not logged in, user we don't have to show any toast here. We just write go to login screen again. Okay, now let's run application and check. So every time we restart our application, if user is already logged in, we are automatically moved to home screen. So our application is restarting. So user already logged in, so we are directly moved to home screen. Now let's try logout. So our user is successfully logged out. Okay, let's log in again. Dummy, Gmail and password. Login. So user is logged in successfully. Okay. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we are going to start Firebase integration and start saving users to-do list data on the Firebase Firestore. Thanks for watching this video. I hope I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.